Hello, welcome back. On this video, we're going to be having a look into how to deliver an email on a specific date on a specific time. This can be useful sometimes if you typed an email past the normal working hours, which are 9 to 5, and you don't want it to send straight away, but also you wanted the email to be ready to send as soon as you come to the office or as soon as it hits 9 o'clock in the morning. So to do that, I'm going to create a simple email here. And I'm going to send an email to my friend Dan. So after you type in the email, what you want to do is that you want to go to options and delay delivery. It's going to ask you what date do you want it to be delivered, and here it says do not deliver before, and you want to choose the date. So let's choose Monday. Let's choose between 9 in the morning. So that's going to be the time that the email will be delivered. There are also other options here. You can put as important. You put the importance of the email. I'm going to flag as an important email to go out. We also have a sensitivity option, which has to do with security labels. If you're not sure, don't worry about it, leave it blank. There are other options as well, which I would recommend just take you a minute to explore them, as their descriptions are pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to press OK to exit out of it, and you're going to notice that deliver email has now been selected. So if I click send, the email is not going to be delivered until Monday. And as you can see over here on the left, I'm going to scrub down. There's a folder named Outbox. So over here, Outbox, these are the messages that are waiting for a specific condition to be met before the email is sent. And as you can see, there's an email here that's waiting to be Monday before it's delivered. Sometimes you can find your emails that are on the Outbox are because you send it and you were offline at the time. You might have to release the emails. But for this instance, this email is going to be delivered on the time and date that we have set. So if you double click it, you can go back to it and edit anything on the email. Click on options again. You can turn off delay delivery if you like. So if you click do not deliver before, close, and now when you press send, it will be delivered straight away. And that's how to create a delay delivery message on Outlook.